Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to set up the script to localize your landing page. Now we're using Unbounce in this particular example, but this should work really with any other landing page software so long as they support jQuery and then allow you to manipulate the HTML on some level. So this is Unbounce. This is just a basic template that they have here. So I'm going to personalize this text right here. So I've just added a temporary kind of bracket that just says city here, but this will automatically change to the city once I'm done with it. So first thing you need to do is go down to this JavaScript tab, and you can see I've already added mine. And this is the script that you can download. Now, this assumes that you've already signed up for a free API key using Snoopy. Basically, on the line that says URL, that's where you're going to add your key to the endpoint here. So there's some instructions in the comments of the script that you can follow. But it's really just as simple as pasting in, question mark, API key equals, and then whatever your API key is. I won't get too deep into this script, but just know that it'll work if you put in your API key. All right, make sure that jQuery is enabled here at the bottom left, and then click Save Code. Okay, and then the next kind of step here is going to be to add our span ID so that the script knows basically where to swap out the text. So double click in this text box here, click View Source. And just a little tip on Unbounce, this may not show up until you add the script for whatever reason, but click View Source, and then you can see, here's my text. If you're not familiar with HTML, it's okay, just kind of copy what I'm doing here, but you find where your text is, and then you're going to add this tag, so span ID equals location. Okay, so location has to be exactly the word that you use here, because that's what the script is looking for. And what this means basically is anything between this span tag is going to be replaced dynamically with your city and state. So you can put whatever you want here, it doesn't have to be city here, but just make sure that this span tag has the ID of location, and know that anything that goes between these two span tags right here is going to change and inherit the same style that the rest of the text block has. All right, so now that I've done all that, make sure that you save if you haven't already. Go to Preview, let it do its thing, and then you can see right here, next open house in Beverly, Massachusetts, which is exactly where I'm filming this video right now. So that's it. Your steps in review, again, are to download the scripts, then make sure that you add that script to your landing page software. Then you need to add the span ID wherever you want the city and state to dynamically show up. And then whenever a user will come and load your page, it will automatically change to their city and state. Good luck.